Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium coming at you today for our product spotlight looking at the wonderful world of Parker. Well, if you have been in the shaving world for any more than just a few weeks or months, you had to have heard of Parker. And if you haven't, today's the day you're hearing all about it. Parker's been around since the mid-70s. They are a company based out of India. And these guys make some of the most kind of budget-friendly, novel, unique safety razors on the market. They really are going after guys, I would say, who are beginners, but also if you are kind of more of an enthusiast and you want something unique or different, I think Parker's got a cool product for you. We've been carrying Parker since, I think, the beginning of Razor Emporium, and we've sold a lot over the years. And we've expanded the line to carry more of the razors, but also the accessories. I think to date, this is still the only line of leather care accessories we carry, just because I think they're a good value, they're a good price, they're good quality. So they have kind of the complete kitchen sink when it comes to shaving. You can get travel razors, travel products like this, like dop bags and such. I'll just set this right down. But you can also get cool safety razors. Anything from double-edged stuff in lots of different cool finish options. Unique handle patterns. Very reminiscent of Gillette in a sense. They look very similar, honestly. But they can go from mild to wild. They also have these slant guys out. These have been super popular, very much kind of inspired by like the Merkur products, and even the adjustables, like this bad boy. This guy will do, the adjustable thing. Also, has got the open comb here. It's pretty cool. I recently shaved with this solo edge and really liked this. This was unique because you could use half a double edge blade and kind of hold it more like a single edge razor. But lots of different choices with DE blades. Whatever one you choose. And then how could I forget the classic adjustable injector? This has been out for, I think, almost 2 years now and really popular as well. If you want that injector look and feel with adjustability, pretty cool. In preparing for today's video, I actually gave a call to my buddy Howie W. He's the U.S. importer for Parker. He's been partners with the ownership, I think, since like the 80s, 90s. And has really been responsible for bringing them to the United States and a lot of the product development. And I asked him, I said, Howie, what's one thing you want people to know about Parker? And he said that I would much rather have our products be inside of small retail stores like Razor Emporium or Maggard's or Mers, all these great retail stores online and brick and mortar than big box. And apparently he actually has been approached by big box stores to stock his product. And I think it's actually really cool that he instead wants these to be in shaving centric stores, in actual stores online again, or brick and mortar that appeal to the shaver, not just some big giant generic grocery store. And he said it's kind of twofold. It's for the customer, of course, number one, but also for him. And I can relate with Rex Distribution of having that relationship with a small store, the buyer. You can be much more accountable. It's crazy what some stores can do with your product. They merchandise it wrong, they price it incorrectly, they mark things down, they can make your product look bad. So I really respect him that he's supports small retail stores like us. We like having them for you guys, the customers. I think they make an awesome range of products. If you are getting started and you want, you don't know where to begin, Parker is a great place to begin. In fact, when I called Howie, he said, "Why aren't you carrying my brushes?" And I'm like, "I don't know, because I'm a dummy." So I was telling him, like, as soon as today's video is over, we're gonna put a call in and get an order of some of the Parker brushes together, because why not? Another great line of brushes, another great option for you guys out there. So that's all I got. If you haven't seen Parker, check Parker out. They got some cool stuff. They can make your shave go from a 0 to a hero, just like that. Looking good, feeling good. That's Parker. That's all I got. If you've used Parker, if it was your first razor, if it's your third razor or 50th razor, tell me below in the comments. I want to hear from you guys. That's all I got today. We'll see you at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.